DJ Paco Rich.
Because you've seen the look-alike for
Association for
yeah.
No, yeah, I have.
Who's your favorite?
The one I find most interesting is Kim Promise.
Why? Is it as a girl?
With the Inchaso.
Oh, why?
And the one I find very, very unpleasant is the Kwame Eugenes.
Yeah,
I've seen about
two. I've seen
4 different Kwame Eugenes.
Oh, Mabo.
Black
There's even
Sherry for me,
Shatawale.
baby,
I've seen Shatawale's look-alike. Family and the other so.
Oh, medical, then so I know why is it.
On Kasa. Only I mean, so I
When name this your casa? On casa.
Yes, it could be a year, say, because a spray bottle. What a pistol pose me.
When him didn't medical on casa.
Dang.
A woman to medical verse back could be I saw it on TikTok.
Yeah.
Say if so ya igbeni. It's training ye enkoye. That's why he doesn't speak.
Because I know I finished it. No, I say.
What is happening with them?
Hey, Kwejo Sheldon, you know, he blasted them some time back when he came up, and then he's interviewed them recently, so people are calling him a hypocrite.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. But why? Maybe he's going to like
for
them.
clout. We all know. I mean, it's for clout, basically. Yeah, for content.
So you agree he's a hypocrite? Okay.
I think Zion Felix also has been chastised for doing the same thing, I guess. Yeah, he also spoke ill about them some time back, and then I think yesterday we saw an interview with them on his.
But how do you feel about them? What they're doing?
Honestly, it's really not like a bad thing. I don't feel any negative energy. However, we hear that sometimes
Me who is the girl promise?
or performing
Yeah, with the piano. No, he did a video.
Jai, Omari.
But they sing the songs. Even the new familiar, not too familiar.
Obisa fine.
Oh, but people are unhappy about
I find them
it.
interesting. I mean, if they are doing this not for commercial purpose, it's fine. It's fine.
I saw one blog that says they take entrance fee if you want to join.
I'm
them.
so 50 cities.
I thought it's 500. It's 500.
Yeah,
Ghana.
500.
Yeah, it's 500.
Wait.
Ghana. If you want to be part of their.
So do you know what happened? Sub group near 500. No, there's another group. There's another group that has, the Kim Promise that has.
That one has the kiddie.
That has the kiddie as well.
Kiddie.
And almost more open form say also
no, but the second Kim Promise, his jaws are not that sharp.
The promise is not promising. The promise is not promising.
No, but the second Kim Promise on or flexible let me around. But you are ring cherry as the ground like that. It's okay. Let me move on. So moving on.
At this point, we don't know whether we like them or we hate them.
Say you don't know.
Especially for the fact. The open one.
No.
You don't. Why?
No.
What's your reservation?
When they started, it was funny.
Yeah.
But now it's no longer funny. They are
full time. Almost say a full time job.
It's no longer funny for me, so it's not cool.
Yeah, it didn't end too well.
Remind us.
Yeah, it didn't end too well.
What happened?
Anoche lost his eyesight before eventually, passing out. It didn't end too well.
But you've seen the Shatawale look-alike.
We have Shatawale look-alikes like 10 in this country.
Really? I've seen only one.
No, there was even this guy with Berima and Tamoti he did a street, they call it a street experiment or something. So they had a convoy with an assumed Shatawale in the car. And then they would drive through a place like La Paz. And then he comes out and with bodyguards and everything. It's on YouTube, Africa People. Yeah,
people believed it was.
People believed it was Shatawale. He did the same with Black Sheriff. He did the same with, I think, Kwame Eugene as well. So he's been there. But Abrocheno look-alike job. It's like a mainstream something. I understand that they are clones for entertainment personalities.
Yeah.
So sometimes you would have like a Kanye perform at an event, and it's not really the Kanye. It could be like a trained replica of him to do all that.
It's not even funny.
The look-alike is not looking alike.
Yeah. Is it all of them or something?
Not all of them. Kiddie is quite calm. The Kiddie.
Yeah, I've seen him.
Kiddie is quite very. I don't know enjoyment as I don't yeah. Kwame Eugene on a Kwame Eugene
from the 500 Ghana group or the other group?
The 500 Ghana group. Who's the Kwame Eugene of Prepa? From the 500 Ghana.
But the 500 Ghana squad is a ground. It's a ground.
The promise.
Yeah.
I like the medical with that group.
I don't.
Because on Kasa, and I think he looks the best alike. Come on, Ben, I know what you say.
No offense.
No, I don't know. On Kashi, Otimi ko jina BMW bi enim ne ebie door no we see no. I like the way they are portraying it.
I nearly mentioned you. Yes, oh, pose be yes, so crowd what peso. No, you see. Yeah, I'm yet to see that pose, but then that's the reason Kojo Sheldon is trending.
DJ Paco Rich.